I'm just so over the moon with what I've got. I just cannot believe it. Well, I started family learning, I think, when my son was 2.5, 3, so he could go to the childcare. I just think I did loads of it when it was at school. I think when Dan was in the primary school, I think that's where most of mine was. So I've done arts and crafts, I've done Money Matters, something like that. I did my first maths one in there, so you could learn how to do maths the way the children did maths. I've done quite a lot of things to do with family learning, and it's helped Daniel no end, because I could understand the things I did. And he was doing it, I could then understand what he was doing. Yeah. So I suggest that everybody should go on them at some point, because it does help. It helps you because you're with a load more people in like similar situations. They've got children, you've got children, you can talk about things, they can talk about things. And I think it's just worthwhile doing any course that you possibly can to help your child learn. And to help you learn as well. I started doing I did the level 1 maths when it was at school as family learning, then I did the level 2 maths as a separate one, and then the GCSE, and the same with the English, did the level 1 and level 2 English. And I just wanted to learn, because years ago, at school, I was useless, absolutely useless at school. You know, I just couldn't, I was in the lowest class going, and you just struggled to get out of it, because basically there were some idiots at school, and you just can't move on. So I wanted to improve myself. And I think you can improve yourself at any age. You don't have to do it straight from school. You know, because I went to school a long time ago. And yeah, so that's why I did it. And the fact that there's brilliant teachers to teach us and explain to us. If we don't get something, you know, if we can't get on my mum something, they will explain it. And that's the best part about it, because in a school, when you've got all those children, the teachers can't do a one-to-one, they can't explain it. So that's why I wanted to better myself, as we say. Yes. The GCSE Maths I did struggle with to start with, but then I retook it again, and it's just, I think I just needed that little bit of extra time for it to get into me. And the English, I did struggle with it, but I'm just so over the moon with what I've got. I just cannot believe it, and it's all down to my teachers. If you don't get it the first time, don't give up. Never give up. Just do it, because there may be some things. Yes, I did get that the first time round, and the second time, well, I didn't get that the first time out, but I've got it now. And do it that way. So never, ever give up.
Fantastic.
Never.
And you got different jobs in the time that you were studying as well,
yes.
weren't you? And it fitted around work, you know, even when things changed, you still managed to fit it around work. And I think, so you've done absolutely fantastically well. And
well, hopefully I'm going to do the level 3 maths. So keep fingers crossed.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic.